In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the lead owner in Salesforce. Changing the lead owner is an essential task that helps ensure that your sales team members are correctly assigned to follow up on potential clients. Let's dive in and walk through the process to make sure you can quickly and efficiently change the lead owner whenever needed. First, make sure you're on the Salesforce homepage. This is your launching point for navigating through Salesforce and accessing the different features and functionalities it has to offer. Having your Salesforce navigation skills finely tuned will save you time and effort in the long run. Next, look for the App Launcher. The App Launcher icon, often represented by a grid or set of squares, helps you access various Salesforce apps and functionalities. By clicking this icon, you can view a list of apps that you have permission to use, including the Leads section. After opening the App Launcher, click on Leads. This section houses all the information about your current leads. Leads are crucial to follow as they represent potential sales opportunities. Being familiar with this section will help you stay organized and manage your leads effectively. Now, it's time to choose a lead that you would like to reassign. You should see a list of leads. Perhaps you can try sorting or searching to find the specific lead you are interested in. With this view, you can quickly select the lead you wish to update by clicking on it. Once you've selected a lead, click on the Edit button. This will open up options that allow you to make various changes to the lead details, including changing the owner. It's similar to editing a document to keep it up to date and accurate. In the Edit section, focus your attention on the field labeled Select New Owner. This is where you'll specify the individual who should take over ownership of this lead. You might see a drop-down menu or a search box where you can input the name of the user you want to assign. After selecting a user as the new owner, you'll see an option to send a notification email. This is a handy feature to notify the new owner that they have been assigned a lead. Keeping communication clear and informed ensures everyone is on the same page. Don't forget to check the checkbox for sending the notification email if you want to make sure the new owner receives an alert. It's a simple click, but it plays a big role in keeping your communication streamlined. Lastly, proceed by clicking on the Change Owner button. This action will save your changes and officially assign the new owner to the lead. With that, you've successfully updated the lead owner, ensuring your sales process can continue smoothly. Following these steps will help keep your database well-maintained and efficient, reflecting the dynamic nature of your sales operations.